Well, hey guys, it's Jess. So if you've been following my content, you know I've been working tirelessly all day to create videos for families who are home with their kids now with the virus. And parents are now sending in a new wave of questions because their kids are just getting to bed. So parents are one of the number one questions I'm getting is how do I get my kid to stop doing that? So I wanted to talk about something that's really important and define the term functionally equivalent replacement behavior. This is something that not a lot of people teach about, but it's one of the most important things to consider when trying to get a kid to stop doing something. So I'm just going to make up an example. So let's just say a child is screaming because they want to have a cookie. Now, you cannot remove that child's desire to get a cookie, right? You can't just take away their desire to want a cookie. So in order to get them to stop screaming, not only do you want to obviously deal with the screaming behavior, but you also have to teach them something else to do, something that's functionally equivalent, meaning serves the same purpose for them, but is something that's more appropriate. So in that case, it would be asking for a cookie. So you want to teach them to maybe bring you a picture of a cookie, or you want to have if the cookies are on top of the refrigerator, you want to put a button on your refrigerator. I like to use those stuffed animal buttons where you can just press it and it says cookie. Or you want him to, maybe he can talk and you just want him to be able to say, Mom, I want a cookie. No matter what it is, whatever behavior you're working on, whether it's, a child wanting you turn off the TV. Maybe that the kid, every time you tell them turn off the TV, they start having a fit. Maybe they don't know how to ask for, Mom, can I have 5 more minutes? So you have to teach them a way to get the TV to stay on using appropriate language. So no matter what it is you're working on, you can never, ever, ever get a child to stop doing something if you don't give them a more appropriate way to do it. The number one reason that behavior plans fail, why things don't work, is because teachers or parents, they think that they can get their kid to stop doing something without giving them a more appropriate way of doing the thing that they want. So whenever you're trying to get rid of a behavior, we call that extinguish a behavior, put a behavior on extinction. You have to make sure you're teaching another behavior that'll achieve the same goal. I hope this video helps. This is actually part of a very special video series called ABA Terms Defined. I'm going to be making a lot of these videos where I'm making a list of terms as a parent you need to know and really how they relate to your child. So this is called, again, functionally equivalent replacement behavior, one of the most important things, well, something not really talked about, but one of the most important concepts in ABA that there is. So thank you so much for the parent who sent in that question. I want to answer your questions. I'm here to help you. You're homeschooling your child. You're probably done with day number 1 now. Maybe you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh my God, like this did not go well day 1. Well, I'm here to let you know I want to make day 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how long, none of us know how long the kids are going to be home from school, but however long it is, I'm here supporting you. I've got your back. You're not on this alone. I want to help. If you have a question, head over to my website, hopeeducationservices.com. A form will pop up. Fill that form out, put your name, put your email, you'll get a free gift from me. And then also you can respond with your question to the email that you get and I will answer them. I have a list of questions. I'm answering every single one of them. If you send me a question, I will answer it. If I cannot answer it, a lot of professionals are home right now too, and I have a lot of friends that are related professionals. I will get someone to answer it. So got you covered. Subscribe to this channel. There are going to be a lot of videos like this one coming out. Whatever you need to know, you can find it here.